Agadir, Argan Oil, Daily Moisturizing Conditioner, Sulfate-free, 12.4 fluid ounces, 366 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Made with Argan Oil Certified Anti-Color Fade for long, lasting hair color detangles, smooths, shines, and corrects. Dry frizzy hair, protects against heat and chemical damage, ideal for use on all hair types. Paraben-free, 24-hour lasting shine, repairs and strengthens damaged hair. Humidity resistant featherweight formula, enriched with antioxidants and vitamin E, not tested on animals. Suggested use. Apply generous amount of conditioner after using Agadir moisturizing shampoo. Work evenly through hair. Leave on 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse. Other ingredients: purified water, aqua, dicetyldimonium chloride, cetearyl alcohol, propylene glycol, argania, spinosa kernel, PEG 12 dimethicone, simethicone, C1215 alkyl benzoate, cetyl alcohol, behentrimonium methosulfate, stearyl alcohol, paraffinum liquidum, PEG 40 hydrogenated castor oil, stearyl chloride, disodium EDTA, sodium benzoate, potassium sorbate, phenoxyethanol, stearyl hydroxypropyl hydrolyzed wheat protein, fragrance, perfume, benzoate. Warnings. Caution: avoid fire, flame and smoking until hair is dry. Avoid contact with eyes. If contact occurs, flush with water. Seek medical attention if irritation persists. Keep out of reach of children. Do not ingest. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.